Abacus is a tool used for doing maths. By moving its beads, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division easily. In the past, businessmen used it for calculations. Nowadays, both children and adults use it to improve memory. Students from LKG up to 10th standard can learn Abacus. Similarly, adults above 55 years can also learn it. Through Abacus, students improve concentration, memory, and mental calculations. The fear of mathematics also disappears. Alzheimer's is a neurological disorder caused by the death of brain cells. Patients with Alzheimer's can use the Abacus as a complementary therapy.